and welcome back to FXaxe. My name is Max, and today we're taking Daman markets under the axe. Now, some brokers burst onto the scene like they're headlining Glastonbury. Everything flashes, spins, sparkles, and shouts at you. Before you've even opened an account, somebody's trying to sell you copy trading, AI signals, cashback rewards, and enough leverage to make your financial advisor quietly leave the room. Daman markets takes a rather different approach. It's understated. In fact, after spending some time testing it, the best comparison I could come up with was it's like a boutique hotel. Not the Burj Al Arab, not a slightly questionable motel beside the motorway where you're afraid to touch the kettle. One of those smart little hotels tucked away in Dubai. The reception is immaculate, the staff are friendly, and somebody offers you a coffee before you've even found your passport. The room is clean, modern, and surprisingly comfortable. The only thing is, after a day or two, you begin to notice there isn't a spa, there isn't a Michelin-starred restaurant, and the concierge occasionally disappears just when you need it. And that's Daman Markets in a nutshell. It doesn't try to be the biggest broker in the world. Instead, it concentrates on getting the basics right. And for the most part, it succeeds. The trouble is that in an industry packed with exceptional brokers, pretty good isn't always enough to stand out. There are timestamps below if you'd like to skip ahead. Feel free if you wish. You'll miss several unnecessary references to those boutique hotels, and at least one joke involving room service and customer support. Let's sharpen the axe. As always, we begin with safety, because none of it matters if you don't feel comfortable trusting the broker with your money. Thankfully, Daman Markets makes a solid first impression. The broker operates under Daman Securities LLC, and this is regulated by the UAE Securities and Commodities Authority, the SCA. That's a recognised regulator with genuine oversight, and it immediately places Daman Markets in a stronger position than many newer brokers that rely entirely on offshore licenses, with names that sound as though they were invented during a game of Scrabble. The broker also states that client funds are held separately. Negative balance protection is available, and standard AML and KYC procedures are in place. None of those things are particularly glamorous, but they're neither are smoke alarms, and you tend to appreciate them most when something goes wrong. What impressed me most was the onboarding process. Registration was quick, verification was well organised, and the whole journey felt modern without becoming overcomplicated. One feature I particularly liked was the option to switch seamlessly from desktop to mobile during identity verification. It's one of those little touches that sound insignificant until you've tried balancing your passport in front of a webcam that somehow made it look like you're being interviewed for Crime Watch. The verification itself was broken down into 5 simple stages, including document upload, liveness checks, and compliance confirmation. Better still, everything was processed remarkably quickly. I've tested brokers where verification has taken the best part of a day. Here my account was approved almost immediately after the documents had been uploaded, which made the whole experience feel polished and efficient. Once inside the client portal, the theme of simplicity continues. The dashboard is clean, uncluttered, and refreshingly free from flashing banners and promotional pop-ups that seem to have become compulsory elsewhere. Some traders might find it a little plain, but personally, I'd much rather spend my time finding the trade button than working out which animated advert is blocking it. The funding options are equally modern. Alongside traditional bank cards and wire transfers, Daman Markets supports cryptocurrency, Skrill, Nutella, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. That's a comprehensive selection and reflects the fact that international traders increasingly expect more than just a bank transfer and a prayer. The minimum deposit sits at $250, while withdrawals start from just $10, which feels perfectly reasonable. I also like the fact that the payment section was easy to navigate. That might sound like faint praise, but you'd be amazed how many brokers seem determined to hide the withdrawal button as though it's the last egg in a competitive family garden hunt. Daman Markets keeps everything exactly where you'd expect it to be, and even includes account notices highlighting updated banking details, which gives the impression that somebody is actively maintaining the platform rather than simply hoping nobody notices. Does all of that make it perfect? Not quite. The broker is still relatively young, having launched in 2022, and while the UAE regulator is respected, it doesn't quite carry the same global weight as the FCA in the UK or ASIC in Australia. Now that doesn't mean Daman Markets is unsafe, far from it, but longevity counts for something in this industry. Trust is built over years, not marketing campaigns. At the moment, Daman Markets has made an encouraging start. It just hasn't had enough time to become one of the elder statesmen of the brokerage world. Nevertheless, an 8.2. Strong regional regulation, excellent onboarding, and a smooth funding experience gives Daman Markets a solid foundation. Its relatively short history and the absence of a top-tier global regulator stop it from reaching the very highest scores, but it's still a reassuring start. Now, if the first pillar was quietly impressive, the second is a little bit more mixed. Daman Markets operates an ECN-style model and offers 2 account types, DM Classic and DM Pro, alongside a demo account for anyone wanting to explore the platform before committing real money. That's a sensible structure, because it avoids overwhelming newer traders with a dozen different account tiers that differ only by the colour of the logo. The trading conditions themselves are perfectly respectable. Maximum leverage reaches 1 to 500, average Euro to USD spread sit at around 1.2 pips, and trader can access hedging, scalping, expert advisors, Islamic accounts, and social copy trading. In other words, most of the features you'd expect from a modern CFD broker are present and accounted for. Where I became slightly less enthusiastic was transparency. During testing, I asked customer support a straightforward question about the broker's average Euro to USD spread during the London session, including all the costs. Rather than receiving an answer, I was told somebody would contact me later by email because the information wasn't immediately available. That's not a disaster, but it is a little surprising. Asking a broker about its spread should be like asking a hotel what time breakfast starts. You'd hope somebody on reception knows the answer without having to phone the chef. We'll come back to customer support later because there are a few more observations there. But moments like that matter. Pricing isn't just about how tight the spreads are. It's also about how easy it is to understand what you're paying and how quickly the broker can explain it when you ask. At the moment, Daman Markets does a reasonable job. It just doesn't quite go that extra mile, a 7.5. Sensible account structures and competitive trading conditions are let down slightly by a lack of pricing transparency when it mattered most. There's nothing fundamentally wrong here, but there's room for improvement before it starts competing with the very best. Pillar 3. Platform and asset range. Walking into the trading platform felt rather like opening the door to that boutique hotel room for the first time. Everything was exactly where I expected it to be. The decor wasn't extravagant, there wasn't a gold-plated coffee machine sitting in the corner, and nobody had folded the towels into the shape of a swan. Instead, everything was clean, functional, and perfectly straightforward. In many ways, that sums Daman Markets up rather well. The broker offers MetaTrader 5 alongside its own web-based trading platform across desktop and mobile devices. Now, regular viewers will know my opinion on MT5 by now. It's a bit like a dependable family hatchback. It isn't the newest thing on the road anymore, but it starts every morning, gets you where you need to go, and rarely gives you a reason to complain. There are good reasons why so many brokers continue to build their businesses around it. For traders already familiar with MetaTrader, the transition is effortless. One-click trading, expert advisors, advanced charting, and a comprehensive suite of technical indicators are all present and working exactly as you'd expect. There are no nasty surprises waiting for you once you log in, and that's not a bad thing. Where Daman Markets does add a little extra value is inside its client portal. Rather than leaving traders entirely to their own devices, it includes a research terminal, analysis IQ, market news, an economic calendar, sentiment analysis, and an asset overview, all neatly integrated into the dashboard. It's a sensible collection of tools that complements the trading platform without making the whole experience feel cluttered. One feature I particularly appreciated was the dashboard seemed designed by somebody who'd actually traded before. That sounds like an odd compliment, but some brokers appear determined to cram every available square inch of the screen with widgets, promotions, and blinking notifications. By the time you've found your watch list, you've accidentally signed up for 3 webinars and entered a competition to win a branded water bottle. Daman Markets avoids all of that. It's calm, it's organized, and perhaps most importantly, it's easy to use. That simplicity does come with a compromise, however. Compared with some of the industry's biggest names, the platform isn't especially innovative. You won't find proprietary charting tools that reinvent technical analysis or artificial intelligence promising to predict tomorrow's markets before tomorrow has arrived. Instead, the emphasis is firmly on providing a reliable trading environment rather than chasing the latest fashionable feature. To be honest, I'm perfectly comfortable with that approach. I'd much rather use a platform that quietly works than one that promises to revolutionize trading every 6 months before immediately asking me to clear my browser cache. The available markets are broad enough for most traders, covering Forex, commodities, indices, metals, agriculture, shares, and cryptocurrencies through CFDs. Unless you're looking for something particularly niche, there's a very good chance you'll find what you're after. So while Daman Markets may not be reinventing online trading, it really doesn't need to. Sometimes competence is perfectly acceptable. It just doesn't always earn top marks. 7.8. A clean, intuitive platform backed by MetaTrader 5 and a useful collection of integrated research tools make for an enjoyable trading experience. It isn't the most innovative platform we reviewed, but it's practical, well-designed, and refreshingly easy to live with. Customer service. Unfortunately, every boutique hotel has that one moment. Perhaps it's just the coffee arriving cold. Perhaps reception forgets to book your taxi. Perhaps the Wi-Fi decides to take the afternoon off. For Daman Markets, it's the customer support. Now, before I go any further, I should say the staff were always polite. Nobody was rude, dismissive, or unhelpful in tone. The problem, though, wasn't attitude. It was pace. During testing, connecting to a live agent took longer than I'd expected. And once connected, every question seemed to require another question before we could continue. First my name, then my email address, then another confirmation. It began to feel slightly less like live chat and more like applying for a mortgage. The real disappointment came when I asked what I thought was a fairly straightforward question about the broker's average Euro to USD spread during the London trading session, including all the associated costs. Rather than receiving an answer, I was politely informed that somebody from another department would email me later because the information wasn't immediately available. Now, perhaps I'm being unfair. Perhaps the one person who knew the answer had just gone for lunch. But asking a broker about its spreads is hardly an obscure technical inquiry. To be fair, Daman Markets does offer several support channels, including live chat, email, telephone support, and even in-person assistance at its Dubai office. That's a stronger range of options than most competitors provide. But the issue isn't acceptability, it's responsiveness. Because in this industry, speed matters, especially when markets are moving. We've given that a 6.7. Friendly and professional staff are undermined by slow response times and an inability to answer relatively straightforward trading questions during testing. There's a solid support structure here, but it needs to become considerably sharper. What then of the USPs? After spending a good amount of time with Daman Markets, what really sets it apart? Oddly enough, its greatest strength is that it doesn't try too hard. In an industry where some brokers appear determined to throw every possible feature onto the homepage in the hope that one of them sticks, Daman Markets has chosen a quieter approach. The platform is clean, the onboarding process is excellent, funding options are modern, and the overall experience feels reassuringly uncomplicated. That's actually quite refreshing. The UAE regulatory backing also gives it a stronger regional credibility than many newer brokers relying purely on offshore registrations. And little touches like seamless mobile verification and well-integrated research tools show that somebody's clearly spent some time thinking about the user experience. At the same time, this isn't yet a broker with a truly distinctive identity. If I asked you a week from now what made Daman Markets unique, I'm not entirely convinced there'd be one obvious answer. And that's not because it does anything badly. It's because it does most things well. Sometimes that's enough. Sometimes, in a competitive market, you need one thing that makes people remember you. At the moment, Daman Markets feels like that excellent boutique hotel you'd happily recommend after staying there, even if you occasionally struggle to remember exactly what made it special. 7.4 then. Daman Markets delivers a polished, user-friendly experience with strong regional credibility, but it hasn't quite developed that standout identity that separates good brokers from truly memorable ones. So the final chop. We've given that a 7.5 overall. Daman Markets surprised me. When I first opened the website, I wasn't expecting anything particularly remarkable. By the end of the review, I had discovered a revolutionary new brokerage, but I had found one that quietly gets a lot of things right. The onboarding process is excellent. The client area is refreshingly simple, the payment methods are modern, and the platform is easy to navigate. The UAE regulatory backing provides a reassuring level of credibility. At the same time, this is still a relatively young broker, and there are areas where that youth shows. Customer support needs to become quicker and more knowledgeable. Pricing transparency could be improved, and while the platform is perfectly competent, it doesn't yet offer the sort of standout features that immediately separate it from more established competitors. There's absolutely nothing wrong with being a good, dependable broker. The challenge is that today's market is full of them. To move from good to excellent, Daman Markets now needs to build on its strong foundations rather than simply maintaining them. So the final note, with an overall FXX score of 7.5 out of 10, Daman Markets comfortably clears our 7 out of 10 recommendation threshold. That means we're happy to include Daman Markets on our approved broker list. If, after doing your own research, you decide it's the right broker for your trading style, you'll find our affiliate link in the description below. Using that link doesn't cost you anything extra, but it does help support the channel and allows us to continue producing independent, in-depth broker reviews like this one. As always though, don't choose a broker because we've recommended it. Choose it because it fits your trading style, your goals, and your attitude to risk. Our job is to give you the facts, point out strengths and weaknesses, and hopefully save you from a few expensive mistakes along the way. If you've enjoyed today's review, please give the video a like, subscribe to FXX, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future broker reviews, trading guides, and market updates. If there's a broker you'd like us to put under the axe next, let us know in the comments below. We read every single one, and if enough of you ask, we'll happily sharpen the blade. Until next time, trade smart and keep that axe sharp.